Hello dear student, I am Varun Nishad from LPMA school. In this video, we will learn about the solution. Solution is a generally homogeneous mixture, and we will discuss about the various aspects of the solution. Now, solutions. Solution. Solution is two or more. Solution is a mixture of. Solution is a mixture of two or more substances. Two or more substances. Two or more substances which are mixed properly. These are the mixture. This is solution is a mixture of two or more substances which are mixed properly, that is homogeneously. Now, generally solution is a mixture of two components. First, solute, and second is solvent, or solute dissolvent solvent, that is called solution. Now, in this way we can summarize that solution is equal to solute plus solution. Solute plus solution. Suppose you have a sugar solution. So the sugar is solute and water is solvent. Water is solvent. Means that the solute is in a solution present in lesser amount. Solute is a substance which present in solution in lesser amount, in smaller amount. सॉल्यूट एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जो कि प्रेजेंट होता है विच प्रेजेंट इन अ सॉल्यूशन इन स्मॉलर अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होता है. स्मॉलर अमाउंट. नाउ solvent definitely equal solvent which present in larger amount. Larger amount में solution में present होता है, and means that the solute and solvent combine to form the solution. For example, sugar crystal dissolve in water and form sugar solution. Sugar crystal are known as solute and water is known as solvent. The sugar crystals are dissolved in water and form sugar solution. So सॉल्यूट विच इज, जब भी सॉल्यूट की बात करेंगे या फिर सॉल्यूशन की बात करेंगे तो उसमें दो चीजें होंगी, सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट विच प्रेजेंट. तो सॉल्यूट क्या होता है? विच प्रेजेंट इन अ सॉल्यूशन इन स्मॉलर अमाउंट. छोटे से अमाउंट में, कम अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होगा. कुछ भी हो वो कम अमाउंट में हो तो वो हम बोलेंगे इट इज द सॉल्यूट. एंड सॉल्वेंट विच प्रेजेंट इन अ लार्जर अमाउंट. सॉल्वेंट जो होगा हमेशा सॉल्यूट से लार्जर अमाउंट में होगा. नेक्स्ट, नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. अब टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन की बात करते हैं. types of solution. So types of solution में एक सिंपल सा है types of solution. Types of solution. Generally, student, types, there is many different types of solution are there, but in your class starting from aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. Aqueous solution is that the solution, the inorganic solution or the substance dissolved in water, that is called aqueous solution. Or substance dissolved in water is called aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. For example, in plants, when they make their food in the presence of sunlight, and the carbon dioxide they are take from the atmosphere, what is another need? They need water, and they suck water from their root hairs, which water are present in the soils. जो वाटर सॉइल में प्रेजेंट होता है वो अपने रूट हेयर से सक करते हैं, कैप्चर करते हैं, और वो कैपिलरी वाटर जो है अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है थ्रू देयर जाइलम, और फ्लोएम से पूरे प्लांट ब्रांचेस में, प्लांट बॉडी में वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है. तो जो वाटर होता है वो वाटर एक जनरली एक्वस सोल्यूशन होता है. वो वाटर में जनरली एक्वस सोल्यूशन होता है. सपोज दैट आपको सोर्स प्लांट जो जनरली वाटर सक करते हैं, जो वाटर गेन करते हैं फ्रॉम द अर्थ क्रस्ट, सो दिस वाटर इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एक्वस सोल्यूशन. एक्वस सोल्यूशन वो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है, बिकॉज द अर्थ वाटर होता है, वाटर कंटेन वेरियस मिनरल्स, वेरियस inorganic minerals like sodium, magnesium, potassium, cobalt, nickel, iron. These all essential nutrients which are essential for the plant body, for their survival, for their various types of growth. तो ये अर्थ वाटर जो होता है वो वेरियस इनऑर्गेनिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिनरल के फॉर्म में कंटेन करता है. तो इनऑर्गेनिक मिनरल जो होते हैं वो डिसॉल्व होते हैं इनटू द वाटर, एंड दीज वाटर, तो जनरली as you know that the water is dissolved as well as all things over a period of time. That's why water is regarded as universal solvent. So in this way we can say that the water dissolves anything. That's why water is universal solvent. So it is a aqueous solution. So the most important example of aqueous solution is earth water or capillary water. Various inorganic minerals are dissolved in it. So inorganic minerals are act as solute and water is act as solvent. Now another types of solution which is liquid in liquid or solution of two liquids. Solution of two liquids. Liquid solution. Such type of solution, the two miscible liquids dissolve to each other is called liquid solution. Liquid solution. For example, the mixture of ethanol and water. For example, the mixture of ethanol and water solution, in which ethanol is 20% and water is 80%. Now, as you know that the solute are in a smaller amount in a solution and solvent is in larger amount. So ethanol act as solute, whereas water act as solvent. Water act as solvent. Now, if the condition is changed, अगर condition change हो जाता है, और that is called ethanol dissolve in water, and ethanol is solute, means solute dissolving solvent. Now, if the condition is changed, अगर condition change हो जाता है, अगर ethanol 80% है and water 20% है, what will happen? Then ethanol act as solvent and water act as solute. Now in this way we can say that ethanol is 80% solvent and water is 20%, which is act as solute. Means that water dissolving 80%, the 20% water is dissolved in 80% ethanol. So in this way we can say that when the larger amount part of solution, that is called solvent, and lesser amount of part of solution is called as solute. Now solution of two solids. अभी आपने देखा कि सब solution आप अभी अपने पढ़ा, you read about the solution of two liquids, and in this heading solution of two solids. Now, if take the example of two solid solution, that is bronze, that is alloy, for example brass. There is a copper mixture of copper and zinc. So copper is 60% and zinc is 40%. In this mixture, the copper is present in brass 60% and zinc is present in brass 40%. Now the copper is act as solvent and zinc is act as solute, because copper is present in a larger amount, whereas the zinc present in a smaller amount. That's why we can see that the zinc is act as in the brass solute, and whereas copper is act as solvent in the brass of two solid solution. Now, another example of alloy, which is bronze. Bronze. It is a mixture of copper, which is 80%, and tin, which is 20%. So, copper is act as solvent, whereas tin is act as solute. And these are the example of solution of two solids. Now, another aspects we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.